I'm gonna show you how to add volume to chart on TradingView. So to get started, you have to open TradingView on browser and then sign into your account so that you can have the edit feature or save your progress. And then you have to select anything that you want to trade. So for me, I'm just gonna do a crypto coin. And then from here, you just have to click on the icon right here and then search for the word volume. And then once you selected the volume, it will automatically add on the chart. So as you can see here below, the volume chart is already added. And then you can add more volume charts by searching on the indicator. So I will just search volume again and then select the volume oscillator. And then once you selected it, it will automatically add on the chart. So there you go. That's how you add a volume to chart on TradingView.